Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm here to spill the tea on 7 smart money moves to make before you hit the big 3. 0. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So let's dive right in. Number 1, start saving now. I know, saving sounds about as fun as watching paint dry, but it's crucial. Open a high-yield savings account and automate those deposits. It's like setting up a little money robot to work for you while you binge Netflix. Number 2, budget. The B word. But seriously, creating a budget doesn't have to be like pulling teeth. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. Track your spending and find out where your money's sneaking off to. Spoiler alert, it's probably avocado toast. Number 3, invest in yourself. Take that course, learn that new skill, and build your resume. You're your greatest asset. The more you know, the more you grow. And who knows, maybe you'll finally understand what the heck blockchain is. Number 4, pay off debt. Easier said than done, I get it. But tackling those student loans or credit card bills early can save you a ton in interest. Plus, it feels like shedding a 50-pound backpack you've been lugging around since college. Number 5, start investing. No, you don't need to be the Wolf of Wall Street. Just start small with index funds or a robo-advisor like Betterment. Let compound interest do its magical thing. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Number 6, build an emergency fund. Life happens, and sometimes it feels like it's happening all at once. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved up. Think of it as your financial cushion for when life takes a nosedive. And finally, number 7, protect yourself with insurance. Health, auto, renters, whatever you need. It's not glamorous, but one unexpected event can wipe out your savings. Insurance is like an umbrella on a rainy day. You might not need it every day, but when you do, you'll be glad it's there. All right, friends, that's a wrap. These 7 smart money moves will set you up for financial success before you hit 30. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today, and future you can just chill and sip pina coladas on a beach somewhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Stay smart, stay savvy, and see you in the next video.